something about you, though.
I believe so. It says that I can be what... You know, in Zimbabwe, we did not have a lot of utensils.
Is this how they talk in Zimbabwe? I haven't been.
We had to go in the back and we had to dig holes and we had to dupe in the holes.
Is Zimbabwe underwater? It sounds kind of like
It's
maybe.
kind of, yes, we are. In Zimbabwe, we live underwater in a boat. And the boat is
Submarine.
in a submarine, yes.
A yellow submarine?
A yellow submarine.
You all live in a yellow submarine.
A yellow submarine in a boat, in a submarine under the ocean.
Well, do you understand the irony in that even if you try to keep things, you say I'm not going to crack you, even if, you know, I don't crack you or, you know, you're trying to discover things about yourself, people watching this will make assumptions about you and will draw their own conclusions.
There's nothing to crack. I am not into people as in, I don't sit and discuss people. I discuss ideas and concepts. So there's nothing to crack.
But who comes up with ideas and concepts?
Well,
individuals, people.
You want to discuss the algorithm I'm building? I mean, that's...
Yeah, let's hear about the algorithm.
That's interesting. These are the things I discuss. I don't sit here and discuss movies or sports or what actor did. I don't have an interest in that. I just